Hey buddy, today in this video we're making Cajun pork chops in the air fryer. Let's begin. We have here 3 pork chops. This recipe is good for 3 to 4 pork chops. We're going to prepare the seasoning first. We'll need half tablespoon of sea salt or salt, half tablespoon of garlic powder, half tablespoon of paprika, half tablespoon of cumin. Next we'll need 1 teaspoon of sage, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and half teaspoon of black pepper. Take everything and mix it all together. There we go. We're going to put it to the side. Next, we're going to open it up. We're going to take it out. Now we're going to season the pork chops. Just going to take the seasoning and apply it on top. There we go. We're going to turn them over and do the same thing. Take the seasoning and apply it on top as well on the other side. There you go. Make sure to get the seasonings on the side as well. There we go. Gonna wash my hands real quick. The next thing what we're gonna do is spray some olive oil on top. Turn them over and do the same thing. Okay, there we go, we're set. We're going to preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn it on. We're going to push the preheat button. And we're going to preheat it at 400 degrees and we'll be back. It's fully preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put in the pork chops. But before we put it in, we're going to spray a little bit of olive oil into the basket. There we go. Let's put in the pork chops. Make sure they're nicely spread out. There we go. Okay, let's put it in. We're going to turn it back to 400 degrees for 14 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 7 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip them over. Smells good. I'm going to turn them over. Space them out evenly. There you go. And we're just going to spray just a little bit more olive oil. There we go. We're going to put it in for the last 7 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 14 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking wonderful. Let's take them out. Next, we're going to check the temperature. It's well above 145 degrees, and we're set. Okay, we're going to slice one up. Okay, this is what we have today. Cajun pork chops made in the air fryer. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.